In this video, I want to talk about the most powerful type of fast in the world. So what is the most powerful type of fast? Dry fast, water fast, juice fast, modified fast, 17-hour fast, 23-hour fast, 5-2 fast. Here's what I recommend. A dry fast is where you're not even consuming water. I don't think that's healthy. They do this for some religions. It cannot be done for a very long period of time. Not on my recommend list. A water fast, which is water only, I think those are great. Now I like to tweak it a little bit and have some bone broth if you're going to do that very long. A juice fast, which is juiced fruit and vegetables that you make. I think that's a great option. A modified fast, which is a water plus fast, 200 calories of soup, broth, or vegetables. So we've got almost a water fast, but we're adding a little bit of food. That can be very powerful. The 17-hour fast, which is eating in a 7-hour window, I think everybody should be doing that. The 23-hour fast, eating only 500 to 600 calories one time per day, very powerful. And then the 5-2 fast, which is 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days each week. And I think all of those are great fast. I think you should be trying them all. Let me show you how powerful fasting is. Here's a patient who had psoriasis. You can see these painful lesions on his hands and on his feet. And after a 10-day fast, he's got new skin. It almost looks like baby skin again. There is no drug, there's no vitamin in the world that will cause that transformation like fasting will. So psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. It usually starts with the skin, and then it can destroy the joints. So it's a serious problem. And if fasting can help on incurable autoimmune disease, just think of all the other things it helps. So back to my question. What's the answer? The most powerful fast in the world is one that you can keep doing. Fasting is something that you need to have in your health routine ongoing. It's not something you do one time and then you don't come back to it. So what is your routine? Is it a 2-day water fast each month? Very powerful. Is it the 5-2 plan every week? Is it the 17-hour fast every day? Any of those are very, very helpful. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like and share button so your friends can see this, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get health tips like this every week.